Hello friends, welcome back to new video. Today we'll talk about the newly released two smartphones. So these are Infinix Zero 5G 2023 and Infinix Zero 5G 2023 Turbo. So both these smartphones are launched in India. So let us have a look at the features of these smartphones. So let's talk about the Infinix Zero 5G 2023 smartphone. So this smartphone comes with a 6.68-inch Full HD Plus display with 120Hz refresh rate and 360Hz sampling rate with 100% coverage of RGB color gamut. The screen resolution is 1080 by 2460 pixels. The smartphone is powered by 6 nm based MediaTek Dimensity chipset. It has XOS 12 operating system which is based on Android 12. So it has triple rear camera setup. So it comes with 50 megapixels primary camera with 2 megapixels cameras. So it also has 16 megapixels front facing camera, and the connectivity options include 5G, Bluetooth, GPS, Wi-Fi, USB Type-C port and 3.5mm jack. They also come with rear flash. There are many sensors like e-compass, proximity, G sensor, gyroscope and ambient light sensor. It has 5000 mAh battery capacity with 33-watt fast charging. So it comes with 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. So this comes in coral orange, submariner black, pearly white color variants. So the price of the Infinix Zero 5G 2023 smartphone is 17,999. Okay, so let's talk about the Infinix Zero 5G 2023 Turbo smartphone. So this smartphone has the same features as that of the Infinix Zero 5G 2023. The only change is in the internal storage. So this smartphone comes with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, and it has a price of rupees 19,999. So both the pricing is available on the sale. If you want to purchase them at a discounted rate, don't forget to check out the links in the description below to purchase these smartphones at a discounted price. Kindly like the video. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and put the bell notifications on to get the latest video updates from our side. Keep visiting our website, which is technary.com, for latest tech news and updates and also how to tutorials. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.